How to switch to a business account on Android. Hi everybody, in this video I will tell you how you guys can basically switch to a business account on Android. So it's very easy. Just simply open up Instagram on your phone, and then after that simply click on the top right on these three lines, then click on settings, and then after that from over here go into preferences, then scroll down and you guys are gonna see the option to switch to a professional account over here. Simply click on that particular option, and then after that, once you guys have switched to a professional account, you guys are basically going to be given the option to basically turn your profile into a business account over here. So let me just do this, and then after that click on continue, and then after that just simply give it a few more seconds and your profile is going to be created. So over here of course you have to choose business, and then after that it is gonna take you over to another page. Now click on next once again, then over here put in your contact info, or simply click on don't use my contact info. Now click on skip, and then after that of course you guys can complete all of these steps, and now your account has been converted into a business account. So guys, that is how you guys can basically switch your account to a business account on Android. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, take care, till next time, goodbye.